Science Center Bhubaneswar. On this coronavirus problematic period, because all are staying at home, compelled to stay, so we have decided to provide some interesting and funny experiments for all of you, and we request all of you, especially guardians, to allow the children to see our program. And then if they can manage some minor items like this, as we can show you here, we'll be very happy if children do by themselves and give us feedback with video and audio at the same time. So today we are going to show you some common sense items, as we have learned from our childhood days. It is a bottle loaded with water, and you need a cap which should be airtight. And now there should be any tumbler or any fan. One side must be totally closed, that means air cannot escape this way, and this side should be open. Or if you have some tubes like this, a glass tube we have taken in our case, we do have glass tubes. We have arranged some color tapes for beautification. This is nothing but a tape. So what we are doing is just follows, and then you enjoy the experiment. Now take some water in the tumbler and pour it inside the test tube. Say I do it here like this. Say I have taken full, but my point is that the way I should adjust my water level inside, it should float here like this. Now all of you watch, when I adjust this is sometimes slanting, but my objective is it should have a perfectly vertical or deep inside, but should not be sinking. Right now what I am doing here, this is the arrangement. Take a tube, almost fill half of this with water, and then close it with one finger. And what I am doing is just follow me carefully. This bottle is loaded with water, and take it there and allow it to be dropped inside. Still what I find is slanting. So what I am doing now, little modification. Again, a little water more. So I will show you again what is the development. I just watch it carefully, and then repeating this experiment same way. Again pointing. So what I am doing, I add a little more water like this. If it is more, then it is also a problem. Now what I am doing, closing and releasing. Let us see now what is the difference here and there. And so when I apply pressure on the container from all the sides, it is trying to see, but very difficult. So now there will be a modification again, and this modification really people should not be afraid while doing. It is more important for all of us. Now again I am adding a little bit of water here and doing this, repeating again. And now you see there will be a difference. This time you can see the tube is almost vertical inside, and the effect I am going to show you is also very important. When I hold it like this and I press from all the sides, the tube goes down, and when I do not apply pressure on the sides of the container, this comes back. Now, if I do the experiment very carefully, you will be happy to see that the tube can be inside any depth. So this is very funny for all of us to take a note of some natural situations. Like you're submarine, when going inside the sea, can be at any depth as designed by the sellers. Now, similarly, if you have a fish, if you observe a fish in the water, you'll find the fish also behave the same way. It can go to any depth and be there for a long period. And if nobody is there outside, the fish can come up and enjoy the nature, enjoy the sky, enjoy the air directly. So this is the story of something going down inside a bottle of water. The performance of this experiment, doing, you'll enjoy. Now I come to the name part. The name you can give like that. I have given this name as a pressure diver, and some people they have given it name quite earlier time ahead. In the history of science, if you go and see YouTube, you will find this is called Cartesian diver. Many people confuse it to be a driver, but not a driver. This is a diver. Why diver? Because this dives down, this sinks. Now the explanation part, I won't go here now, and I request all of you, those who do and enjoy this experiment, can write something, how things happen here. When that goes down when you press, and when you don't press, it comes back. These things, the science part, we request all of you to give us in feedback. And after that, in the second session, we will be discussing the details of the science involved in it. Thank you.